Alright guys, we're out here fishing for softshell turtle and redneck turtle. Probably get hooked up with alligator gar and catfish in this spot. But I met an old buddy here joining us. Got 4 rods out. And we're fishing with pogey. I think I got a bite on this rod right here. Pogey and finger mullet. I think I got a bite on this rod right here. While waiting for the bite, I'm gonna enjoy a fruit and a beer. Got our first turtle. Okay, got our first turtle. The bluegill and copper pogey on the net. Getting bite on this this rod here. Maybe a turtle, not hooked yet. He's about 10 years old. So this is the second time I saw him at this spot. Getting some bite on this small rod right here. See, it's moving. I got a double small hook on it. Should I yank it? Okay, I think I got hooked. Let's see what I got is a turtle. Thả cái lưới kia xuống chung rồi. A turtle on the small hook right here, bigger one than we got earlier. Eat the other bait. Look like it. Alright, got a probably 20-pound softshell turtle on this one. Let's dive to the bottom. I think it dug itself into the mud. So this Softshell turtle has dug itself into the mud, so we're just waiting for it to come loose. So we set this rod here until it come out. It's been 10 minutes. Finally we got a Softshell turtle. It's belly hook on a small Canal hook. Ran so fast. Got an alligator gar. Cho nó ra đi, hai cái lưới cho nó ra đi, cho ra ngoài. Cái lưới nó ra ngoài rồi, cái lưới ra ngoài.